In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vertical text in Webflow. To get started, open your Webflow project and head into the page where you want the vertical text to appear. Before making any style changes, it's helpful to know exactly where you want this text to sit in your layout, because rotating text can affect spacing and alignment a little differently than regular horizontal text. Once your project is open, click the Add Elements panel. From there, look under the typography section and drag a text block onto the canvas. Place it roughly where you want the vertical text to live. At this stage, don't worry if it still looks like standard horizontal text. That's completely normal and we'll change that in just a moment. Now select the text block you just added. Make sure the correct element is highlighted, because the styling we apply needs to go directly on that text block. If you accidentally select a parent container or another element nearby, the rotation may not behave the way you expect. With the text block selected, go over to the Style panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you will control the visual appearance of the element, including transforms. Scroll down until you find the Effects section, and inside that area, look for 2D and 3D transforms. This is the setting that allows you to rotate the text instead of rewriting it manually. Click the plus icon to add a new transform property. Then choose Rotate. As soon as the Rotate control appears, you will be able to adjust the angle of the text using the rotation values. For vertical text, set the Z-axis rotation to 90 degrees if you want the text to read from top to bottom. If you want it to read from bottom to top instead, set the Z-axis rotation to 270 degrees. After applying the rotation, take a moment to check the placement on the canvas. Rotated text may need a small position adjustment depending on your design, especially if it's sitting near other elements. The main goal is to make sure it remains readable and visually balanced within the layout. And that's it. Thanks for watching.